Did you buy one of these Android Auto, Apple CarPlay wireless adapters so that you can play YouTube videos or Netflix as advertised on some of these? And then you go to connect to your cell phone's mobile hotspot only to find that it says connected but with no internet. And now all you want to do is bang your head at the wall because you can't figure out how to make it to work. Well, in today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to fix that. I had the same problem with 4 different brands of these, and I finally realized that, okay, it must not be the actual devices themselves. There's got to be something going on, so let's fix it right now. Okay, so the way we're going to fix that is we're going to actually go into settings and scroll all the way down here where you see general management and then reset. And then what you want to actually do is reset the mobile network settings. We're not going to do it now because I already did it. And reset the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. That in itself might fix the problem for you, but if that doesn't, there's another trick that you can do. And what you want to do for that is, so you go connections and you go to mobile networks, and what you want to actually change is the access point names. Now, what you actually need to do is, there's a setting here that you need to add. I had to add TELUS is my provider. I had to add a TELUS manual here because the TELUS, the one that they provide, I can't actually edit any of this in here. And what you actually need to change in here is the APN type. You need to add something. So if you're like me and this is locked down, what you need to do is actually create a brand new access point, and you have to write down all of this stuff, like everything that you see here. You need to write that all down because you're going to have to manually enter it now, plus an extra thing that I'm going to show you right now. So I went in here and I created a new one. And what you actually have to do is write down here where it says APN type, you add DUN, and then you hit save, and you now use the manual one as your default. I don't know what actually fixed it for me, because when I did the initial reset, it worked for me, and then I had to do this to get it to work for me, and since I've done this, it's permanently worked. So you might want to just do both. Either way, if you're gonna, whatever you're gonna do, make sure you do the reset first, because when you do the reset, it'll actually kick this manual one out and you'll have to reset it up again. So make sure if you're following these instructions, you do the reset first and then you do this part over here. And then as you can see here now, when I'm connected, it no longer has that message, and I can actually very easily click on YouTube now and watch a video on YouTube. So it definitely does work. I hope I can help at least one person out, because I was very frustrated with this. It took me hours and hours and hours to figure it out. So hopefully this 2-3 minute video is something that is useful to you. Please share it with your friends. This will also work for any device where you're trying to mobile hotspot and it's just not working, whether you're trying to hotspot to your laptop or an iPad or something like that, that doesn't have like a Wi-Fi or built-in internet plan or anything like that. This will work for that too. So share this with all your friends that have that mobile hotspot issue. If you want to purchase one of these wireless Android devices so you can watch YouTube and Netflix when you're not driving and sitting in a parking lot, I'll have a link in the description and a little pop-up here for you guys as well. Next up, you should check out one of the 2 videos on your screen right now. It's going to change your life. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.